Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to allow or block access to camera in Opera browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Opera browser on your Windows PC. Then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner. Select Settings in the drop down menu. Under Opera Settings, on the right side, scroll down to this one Privacy and Security section. Here, click on this one Site Settings option. Scroll up to this one Permissions section and click on here Camera option. By default, sites can ask to use your camera. In case you want to block it, select this one Next option. Don't allow sites to use your camera. This option disables camera access and this option enables camera access in Opera browser.